1, 2, 3, start. Present application has been preferred by the applicant original accused for an appropriate order of modification of condition number in bracket C of the order dated 28/1/2015 passed by this court in a special leave petition in bracket criminal number 7053/2013 to the extent permitting the applicant to enter, stay and function in the districts of Bellary in Karnataka and district of Anantapuram and Kudappa in Andhra Pradesh. Stop para. The applicant herein is the accused in RC dated 07/12/2009 as amended on 05/9/2011 for the offences under sections 120 in bracket B 420, 379, 409, 468, 411, 427 and 447 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, Section 2 of the Indian Forest Act 1927, Rule 21 read with rules 4 in bracket 1, 4 in bracket 1 in bracket A and 23 of the Mines and Minerals in bracket Development and Regulation Act 1957. Stop. That the applicant accused was arrested by the CBI on 5/9/2011. Stop. Prior to coming to this court, the applicant accused approached the learned trial court as well as the High Court for the grant of regular bail on number of occasions. Stop. The said request of the applicant accused was rejected inter alia on the ground that grant of bail to the applicant accused may impede fair and uninfluenced court in the year 2013 by way of filing criminal petition number 362/2013 void judgment and order dated 26/2013 considering the gravity of the allegations levelled against the applicant accused, his influential status and the CBI indicated a reasonable apprehension that the accused is likely to influence the investigation if enlarged on bail. The High Court rejected the bail application. Stop. The applicant approached this court by way of a special leave petition in bracket criminal number 7053/2013. Stop. By an order dated 20/1/2015, the order which is sought to be now modified, this court had released the applicant on bail subject to following conditions para. A. He shall surrender his passport if not already surrendered to the learned principal special judge for CBI cases Hyderabad. Stop. If he has already surrendered his passport before the learned principal special judge, that fact should also be supported by an affidavit para. B. He shall not leave the country without the leave of the learned principal special judge para. C. He shall not visit the districts of Bellary in Karnataka and district of Anantapuram and Kudappa in Andhra Pradesh D. He shall cooperate with the court in the smooth process of trial and its early conclusion. E. He shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat or promise to any person acquainted with the facts of the case so as to dissuade such person from disclosing such facts to the court or to tamper with the evidence. F. He shall remain present before the learned principal special judge on the dates fixed for hearing of the case without fail. Stop. If he requires to remain absent, he shall take prior permission of the learned principal special judge, and in case of unavoidable circumstances for remaining absent, he shall immediately appropriately intimate the learned principal special judge and also to the superintendent CBI and request that he may be permitted to be present through the counsel. Stop. G. Insofar as the surety amount is concerned, the petitioner shall execute a bond with two solvent sureties in a sum of rupees 10 lakh in bracket rupees 10 lakhs only bracket close each. Stop. H. If for any reason the petitioner fails to comply with all the conditions as stipulated above, the respondents are at liberty to approach this court for modification or recall of the order granting bail to the petitioner. Stop. The grant of bail to the petitioner shall be subject to any other cases that are pending against the petitioner wherein the petitioner is yet to be granted bail by the appropriate courts. Stop. Para. Present application has been preferred by the applicant accused to modify and oblique or delete condition number in bracket C reproduced herein above and thereby permit him to enter, stay and function in the districts of Bellary in Karnataka and district of Anantapuram and Kudappa in Andhra Pradesh. Stop.